Let's make a t-shirt using our Procreate Designs on the Print and Mint print on demand website. I'm going to make a t-shirt, so I'm going to head into products and I'm going to hit down where it says apparel. And I want to make a Bella and Canvas t-shirt. And I'm going to come down here where it says design file info. This is going to tell me the dimensions that I need to have on Procreate for my design. So I'm going to have a canvas that's 3600 by 4800 pixels at 300 ppi. So I'm going to head into Procreate, and I've already created a canvas that is that size. So if I head up to the gear, I'm going to go to Canvas and click on Canvas Information and Dimensions. You'll see that my pixel width is 3600 by 4800 and I'm at 300 ppi. Now I want the design of my shirt just to be filling the top. So I've already drawn in the design that I want. I have it the color that I want, so I'm ready to go. So I'm going to come up to the gear icon. I'm going to click on share. And because I want it to have a transparent background, I'm going to click on PNG. I'm exporting it and I'm going to save my image to my iPad. And I'm going to head back to the print on demand website and I'm going to come over here where it says design. Now we're going to bring in our design. So I'm going to click on my files. Here we go. If we could scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see where it says upload. So we're going to click on upload and click on photo library. And it should be your first file, and then click on add. Uploading image. And now it should be down here. There we go. Now I can click on this image right here. Click on choose. There it is. Just takes a minute to load. So there's my file. That's what I want it to look like. If you want to bring it down, bring it up, you can scale it however you want. And then I'm going to choose the color shirt that I want. I want to see it on a mustard colored shirt. And I'm going to click on next. And there it is. There's your shirt. You can take a look at it. If you don't like how it's centered or designed, you can go back and then you click on save. And there's your shirt. You can order one for yourself or add it to your Etsy shop or your Instagram, Shopify, whatever you want.